We're recording
You're such a creep.
video.
I'm getting food. Same. Oh, wait a minute. We have to take the wood apart. This is my house. Oh my. Okay. This is my kitchen. We will be making a lot of food here today. And then, wait, can you get the plug over there? Can't really hold this. That's great. I think I just. Can't turn the light on. Oh, that sparked. I got it. Sorry.
This is not very good lighting.
It isn't it?
It doesn't work for me.
You did. I'm gonna try to do something. Entertain them. I think if I jump from here, if I hurt myself.
You don't.
If I jump from here, if I hurt myself.
Ready?
No, I'm scared.
Do
Look how
it.
far down that is. No, they can't even. No. Not so far. Yes, it is.
Come on, you little pussy.
Bitch. What, a whore? Okay, if I leap, I'm like a frog.
Let's go.
Oh. They can't even see what we're doing. It looks retarded. No, now they see me.
Ready? I'll do it. Get in. Ready?
She's gonna attempt something dangerous.
Alright. Ready?
Oh my god.
Okay.
Scary, isn't it?
No.
You're a damn liar. What are you doing? You're such a loser. You look like a mentally challenged blind animal.
Look it. My hair is green and red. Are you jealous?
We don't have any food.
It's green and red.
Don't be mean! These are my donuts. These are my donuts. Are you guys freaking jealous? What is it? Jealous yet? Like about him. Buster! Ready? This is my puppy. Come here. Put the food away. Ready, Buster?
Child reaper.
Oh, he likes it. Don't lie.
It's a pretty good video.
We're gonna go. You want to fuck with me? I wanna fuck with you. Well, yep.
So long, gay boys.
So long, gay boys.